Hey, welcome back. In this video, we're going to talk about how do you convert your videos into anime videos in seconds using this powerful AI tool. Before we jump into it, you know what to do. Like and share so more people can see this. All right, this tool, this platform is called Lensgo. Here is the URL and watch till the end because I'm going to show you some really awesome features. Signing in, creating an account is free. It's actually a freemium tool, which means you can use a lot of these features, bells and whistles for free. But then if you want more stuff, you can look into their paid plans. Now, look under AI generation. So sign into your account, look under AI generation, and then you want to go to animate videos. This is where we're going to convert videos to anime. So on the left hand side, watch closely. First thing is you want to pick which style or which model do you want. There is a realistic, here is the anime, but then you can also see fantasy, there are Pixar. So the two that I've used a lot is anime and then also Pixar. So select on anime, and the next you wanna, what's the dimension of your video? So you can pick which dimension. Actually, I've selected something, so let me remove the video. I was testing this tool earlier to prepare for this video. So step one, select the model. Step two, the dimensions. Do you want vertical video, square video? So select that. Video duration, longer or a normal. What I would say, if this is the first time you're testing the tool, probably go with normal so you can get some generations quickly. But then, if you go longer, then it's going to create longer videos. That might take a bit longer. Now, camera movements, you can go through this and pick whichever way you want the camera to move in your video. So after you select everything, now upload a video from your computer. So I'm going to upload a simple video that I have. It's really, really simple. You can see this. It's just me waving hands. I'm going to select that, open that. And then this is where you're going to enter a prompt. So I said a guy waving hands to his friends, I should say, not on his friends. By the way, if I remove this, watch what happens. It is going to show me, actually, it's uploading the video still. So let's give it a few seconds. Oh, done. Wow, that was fast. Now, if you come here, you can see some of the prompts that are given by this platform. So you can also go through some of these prompts. If you want to use these prompts, go for it. I'm going to just say a guy waving hands to his friends, and then click on start, and then it's going to generate the video. I did this earlier. By the way, this is really neat. It's kind of like a chat bot, or it has a history of all the generations that I've done in the past. So here's the exact one I did. Let's watch it. Neat. The guy actually looks like me. And how many seconds this is? This is 5 seconds. That's actually pretty neat. Most AI tools do 3 seconds to 4 seconds. So I think 5 seconds is pretty good. And I believe this was normal. So if I did longer, it might be longer. You can also see the reference video. So this was the reference video. So you can do a comparison. Here's the reference video, and then you can see the anime video. And then you can also see other, if you want to delete this, you can delete this. So really simple way. And actually, I didn't have to pay anything. It is for free. They do have some options in their pro plans, up to you. You can check them out. But Lensgo AI, convert your videos into anime style in seconds. Any questions? Let me know before you go. Like and share so more people can see this video. And now I'll see you in this next video. Bye for now.